Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can change your flight and booking.com. So, the very first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for booking.com. Okay, and you will be redirected to this website. Now, once you're here, you just have to sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. Okay, so if your travel plans suddenly change or you need to adjust your schedule, don't worry because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. So make sure to watch until the end because I'll share some important tips as well to avoid extra charges and common mistakes. Okay, so here after you open your booking.com on your phone or to the website on your browser, so make sure to log in into your account, and then um, after that, if you book without an account, check your email for your booking confirmation number, and you'll need that to access your reservation. Okay, so once you're here, you just have to go to my trips option. Okay, so you just have to go here and then go to bookings and trips. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then once you've logged in, you'll see all the bookings included the flights, hotels, and more. So let me just confirm my or verify my email address right here. Okay, so we can go to our trips. So let me just type out right here. Okay, so let's verify our email. So make sure that the email that you're using is active. Okay, so since we're here now, just have to find the flight you want to change. Then you just have to click on it to view the details. So you'd be able to see that right here. And the next one is before making any changes, you have to check if your ticket is eligible because not all flights can be changed, especially low cost or promotional fares. So you have to look for options like change flight, modify booking, or manage booking. And if you don't see these options, it could mean that your ticket does not allow changes, or you need to contact customer support or the airline directly. Okay, so if your ticket allows change, then you just have to click the change flight. So you'd be able to see that right here. Okay, and you will be taken to a page where you can select any flight. So here you can choose a new date, pick a different time, and sometimes change your route. So you just have to select a new flight that fits your schedule. And then the next one is you just have to review the cost and the fees. So after choosing your new flight, you'll see the updated price, and this may include the fare difference, the airline change fees, and the important things to remember. If the new flight is more expensive, you'll need to pay the difference. And if it's cheaper, refunds are not always guaranteed. And always double check the total before moving forward. Okay, so let me just open booking.com website once again. And then the next one is you just have to confirm and pay. So if everything looks good, you just have to click to confirm. And if there's a payment required, you have to proceed using your preferred method, such as credit or debit card, other available payment options. And once the payment is successful, your flight change will be processed. So you just have to check the updated booking. And after changing your flight, you'll receive a confirmation email. And then make sure to review. So the new flight details, passenger information, the booking reference number. So save or screenshot this for your records. Okay, so let me just try to book here. So where are we going? So for example, this is our flight date. All right. And then you just have to tap on the search option. So let us try to find a ticket where we can actually change the booking. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So we are flying from Cagayan de Oro and going to Manila, Philippines. Okay. So after that, you just have to select your date right here and then tap on the search option. And then we just have to look out for the flexible ticket options. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. So for example, this one, we can view the details first. Okay, so you have to, as you can see, you're allowed to change this flight for a fee. So if this one is applicable to your budget, then you just have to tap on continue. So it means that if you have a change in your schedule and you have to change the booking, then you can actually do that, but you have to add the fee. Okay, so after that, you just have to input your details right here. So again, you have to always check the airline's policy before booking. So try to change your flight as early as possible, and you need to keep a copy of your original and updated bookings. And if you have issues, you have to contact the booking.com support or the airline directly. Okay, so you have here total amount. That's right. And then here, just have to add your contact email and then your phone number. So for example, let me just type it right here, 4011788. So you just have to tap on the next option. So make sure to add or correct this traveler's details right here. Okay, so for example, let me just type it right here. Okay, so we can proceed to the next page. Tap on done and then tap on next. So you just had to finish filling out all of the information. So again, you have to pay the fee if ever you are going to rebook this booking. So and then after that, you need to remember as well that changing your flight or your booking is sometimes do not work, but and of course the availability of the flights, so you have to remember that as well. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.